Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Kaspa. An update, and we had to do an update because Kaspa actually did get the bearish breakout we were talking about yesterday in the video update. So briefly, to touch upon what I said yesterday, is that Kaspa was showing some bearish momentum because it broke down below 5.2 cents right here and then broke down below 5 cents, and it respected both levels after breaking down below it as resistance. So then it was heading for this major support level at around 4.7 and 4.75 cents. So what I said is that from there we would need to break above 5 cents, otherwise it would break and we would drop down further, causing a crash down towards these levels right here at 4.2 and 4.1 cents, which I think we are in the middle of right now. All right, so that's not great. This is the first time in quite a while, actually since the beginning of September, that we've seen bearish momentum like this for Kaspa. Does that mean that we cannot make new all-time highs and that this is the new all-time high and that will drop down? No, because even though I expect more bearish momentum from here, these levels, basically this entire level between the 100 and the 200 EMA, is still very strong. So that's between, it's quite a big area, let's say between 4.4 and 4.2 cents. That's still very strong. I would not say that the pullback we've seen now is disastrous. It's quite big, but it's definitely not disastrous. So what would need to happen now to actually get a new all-time high, we'll talk about. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, including on Kaspa. There's also access to an exclusive to my trading guide to learn how to analyze like me, and to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable. If you're interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comments. But for now, let's get into Kaspa. So, like I said, I mean, we've had quite a lot of bearish confirmation right now. So if there's any moment Kaspa would crash, it's right now, all right? Because we broke down below some very significant levels right here. There's even, I'm not actually sure if I've ever drawn this fib right here. I think it's possible. Maybe is this respected? I think it's respected right here. All right, so yeah, we also broke down below the 382 fib. So what I expect now, after Kaspa has found support right here at 4.4, 4.5, which is strong. It's a technical level. It has the 100 EMA. The main thing we need to do for Kaspa to become bullish again is get some sort of a bullish breakout and therefore bullish confirmation. So because we haven't seen that for a while. So right now Kaspa is probably retesting this level around 4.7 and 4.75. What would need to happen to have another chance of getting a new all-time high is Kaspa needs to break above that. All right, then it will consolidate, and then it's still most likely to get a new all-time high around 5.5 and perhaps around 6 cents. This is, however, not what I expect. I think it's more likely, and that's also if you, for example, take a look at these statistics. What you'll see is that the open interest and the volume have still been dropping down pretty severely since Wednesday the 20th. So Wednesday the 20th, we made the all-time high, but these numbers indicate that there's still not that much momentum in the price right now. Now, of course, that could change, but I don't think this support level is enough to change that. I think a lot of this bullish momentum also comes from Bitcoin, which is showing some bullish momentum right now. So I think it's more likely that, all right, the candle closed, so I had to check some coins. I think it's more likely that it will maybe test 4.7, but that will drop down towards 4.2 and 4.1, and that from there we'll find support, consolidate a bit, and then test 4.7 from there. This is a way stronger support level, so I'm way more interested in what that does. Now, at this point of time, I expect support, I expect a consolidation, and I expect it to test 4.7 from there. I cannot say too much more about that because what happens next really depends on the reaction it gets from this area. So I will keep you updated on that, but for now, these are my thoughts on Kaspa. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.